international market, consumer spending, which is 2/3 of the US economy, increased 0.9% last month. Rate of increase of inflation is slowing down. Rate hike of 50 basis points in both June and July Fed meeting is almost certain and very much priced in. US 10-year with all the above information is trading at 2.74 percentage points. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $120.1 per barrel. I repeat, crude is trading at $120 per barrel. Short-term range for crude now has shifted from $118 to $123 per barrel. Easing Chinese lockdown restrictions from 1st June are increasing the demand for crude oil. In the currency market, dollar index or DXY is at $101.52 per barrel, 101.52. DXY's today's range 101.39 to 102.10. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 6.67. USD INR with an intraday low of 77.67 closed at 77.59, resistance at 77.20 and support at 77.75. Trading strategy for USD INR. Again, USD INR failed to close below 77.50. Knight Research is waiting for the close below 77.50 to take USD INR to 77, which is, we feel, is a strong possibility. 77.75 is still intact on the upper side. In the domestic market, government bonds ended lower due to the fresh GSEC supply on Friday. 27th May 2022 GSEC auction results. 456/2023 cutoff came at 615. I repeat, 456/2023 1-year paper cutoff came at 615, where rupees 2,236 crore were devolved on primary dealers. 654 US 2032 cutoff at 734 and 695 2061 cutoff was at 763. Knight's view: the devolvement of 2023 paper and acceptance of 654 2032 at 734 yields are the main reasons for the market to fall. Finally, 574 2026, a 5-year benchmark, closed at 704 versus 698, where the yields inched up by 6 basis points. 654 2032 closed at 735 versus 729, where the cutoff came at 734. 667 2035 closed at 752 versus 758. Hence, across the yield curve, 4 to 6 basis points yields moved up. Knight Research's view: our Thursday and Friday's call was sell and book profits. On Friday, yields inched up by 6 basis points across the yield curve. Knight Research House, headed by Mr. Pawan Somani, had a clear sell call on 574 2026 below 7%, and it closed at 704. We continue to maintain our stance. 654 2032 will be at 740-750 range before June MPC meeting. Crude at $120.1 per barrel is a big negative for Indian bond India when rupee is at 77.60, and we do expect neutral to negative trading day to day for Indian bond markets. Trading range for 654 2032 733 to 741. Non-SLRs: 3-month manufacturing CP from 520 to 540, 3-month NBFC CPs from 540 to 570, 3-month CDs 505 to 525. 3-year NABARD got cancelled as NABARD was expecting 710 for 3 years, whereas the bids range was 7 to 775. I repeat, 3-year NABARD auction got cancelled as NABARD was expecting 710 versus bids received were 7 to 775. Fund houses, the mutual fund houses are taking cash calls until June MPC, and then they will take a call based on the yield levels. As SDL supply is also increasing, Knight Research expects SDL spreads and corporate bond yields and corporate bond spreads to widen by 30 to 50 basis points. Please note that we have a complete no buying call until June MPC meeting, and if you want to buy any GSEC, do consult us. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new episode from Night Snippets.